Welcome back, YouTube, and today we're going to be using the Bissell Powerforce. I don't know if I told you in the last few videos, but the Clean View Swivel Pet here is from 2020. The Clean View Revolution is from 2005. That one's from 2005, 2015, and I believe 2005. And I don't know the year on the sanitaire over there, so I can't use it. But we can use this one. As you can see, the bag is just located in there. So yeah, let's get started. The power button is located on the side with the HEPA filter door, so just turn it on. Hit the foot pedal. So stay tuned for more, please. Comment, like, subscribe, and share to people you know. Because I don't just do natural vacuuming. I also do a ton of other things involved with vacuums. So stay tuned. My playlists, I'll make a playlist of me just vacuuming, not saying a word for like a sleep sound, and then so on. So, I hope you enjoyed. So yeah, bye-bye.